This video, I'm gonna try and make art using only one color, and it's one of the most luscious and magical colors of them all. Pink!
Oh snap, he's doing pink.
Now, this type of video has been done by a few other super epic YouTubers such as this person, and this person, and this person, and this person. And I just have one thing to say to them. I also want to do that. It looks fun. So, let's grab all the perfectly pink painting products Peter procured previously for producing pretty pictures. And, paint with pink. Let's go. Okay, I need to figure out what to paint, and I know just who to ask. Instagram Live. I need you guys to tell me, what should I paint on it? A beam, a Colombian fairy, a flamingo, that is a good option for sure. A drummer cat, a graffiti letter, alligator with a flamingo costume. I do like that one. Magic shrooms, could throw some of those in there for sure. Crazy dragon fruit, pink toy army soldier. Maybe I should just do all of these. Pink portrait of Slew, Don Hibiki from Street Fighter, don't know who that is. Hurry up guys, this live is not gonna be a long one. Pinky and the Brain, Princess Peach from Mario, chameleon in a cowboy hat. You can't go wrong with that. Do my channel logo. I don't think that's what I'm gonna do. Willy Wonka. Oh, an axolotl? Your beautiful editor and assistant, says Nick. Nick, get off the live. Aww. Disco Flamingo! Flamingo with an afro. Flamingos are reigning supreme right now. All right, that's it. Thank you. So many ideas. Bye-bye. End of live. Okie dokie. The fans have spokey. I have a list. A list of ideas from my genius fans. Half genius, half insane. But I'm gonna try and work at least some of these into this piece of art. Let us begin! When I sat down to start sketching, I was just thinking, so many of these ideas are so bonkers. What have I got myself into? But as I looked over my list, I was really attracted to this idea of an alligator in a flamingo costume. In my mind, there was already an automatic built-in story to that, and I do try to do a bit of storytelling with my art. To make the sketch, I'm using my iPad Pro with my Apple Pencil in an app called Procreate. And of course, when I was sketching, I made my pencils pink to fit with the theme, because we gotta use pink. That's kind of what this video's about. Okay, I have finished my sketch. We have what appears to be a very clever alligator that has procured a flamingo victim, RIP, and used it as a clever disguise to perhaps hunt more flamingos. Also using the dismembered flamingo legs as additional swimming devices. Very ingenuitive there, Mr. Alligator. We also have a couple of axolotls, as suggested by the fans. Now, I believe axolotls are from one single volcanic lake in like Peru or Chile or something. This is completely from memory. I could be totally off here. But in this scenario, these are magical migrating axolotls, and they have made their way to the swamps of Florida, I believe. So they're chilling in there. This is gonna be an exciting one because we've got this like, I wanna do this like water thing. Maybe everything below the water is one kind of pink and everything above the water is a different kind of pink, and we'll do this kind of like cool transitionary water thing. I'm excited about this. Now I gotta transfer this rough sketch onto my panel. I printed out the sketch, cut it up, taped it up, then I busted out the Seural transfer paper and laid the sketch on top of it. That way I can use a ballpoint pen to trace the drawing, and it presses through the transfer paper and transfers the drawing onto the panel. It's like freaking magic, man. Makes life so easy. Yeah, the transfer has been completed. Graphite on panel, alligator flamingo, goodness. Okay, so now I'm gonna tone my panel. Usually when I tone panels, I do like a orangey, browny. I do a nice browny base layer, but this time, guess what color I'm gonna tone the panel with? I'll give you 3 guesses. Blue, yellow, green. If you guess pink, you are 100% correct. This is the least pink this painting is gonna look from here on out. So, let's tone this panel. Hey! I personally do not like to work on a pure white canvas, so I often tone my panels with a light wash of watered down acrylic paint. When I put my paints next to pure white, the contrast tricks my eye into thinking that my colors are darker than they are. And I generally just find it easier to paint on a toned panel. Alrighty, Painting's pink. I did what I promised in the title and thumbnail. I'm done. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Joking. The painting is toned a beautiful color of pink. I feel like just looking at this, if you have a tummy ache, it'll make you feel better. It's just that delicious Pepto pink right now. We're gonna let this dry, but this officially means that the prep work is done and it's time to start painting. So excited. Hurry up, I wanna start painting. Once this dries, we're gonna rock this thing. Let's go. The first step was to fill in these big chunks of color in the background. This super light, pale pink sky and this deep purpley magenta water, which I think still counts as pink. At this stage in the game, I was trying to figure out how wide of a color spectrum I had to work with, what kind of values I could work with within this pink family, and I was also trying to use a bunch of pinks that weren't my favorite pinks that I was going to be planning to use on the main characters of this painting. And with that, I think I have finished the background, and I don't know what to say. Look at this palette. So many different shades of pink here. Very exciting. Let's keep painting. First thought of making this video, I didn't know it was actually going to be a challenge to just work with one single color and try to create depth and contrast and variation in the artwork. I don't know why these little axolotls took me so long. They took me like a full day to paint and they are so freaking cute. How did nature produce a real life Pokemon? Like, this thing looks like an anime character in real life. Google them. They're so cute. Paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com.
Paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com.
Yeah.
What is it?
A website.
Website?
Yeah.
How'd you make this website?
On Squarespace.
Squarespace?
Yeah, today's video sponsor, Squarespace.
Paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com.
That's right. Wow, yeah, that's so cool. Oh no, that's so cool.
How the heck did you make a website on Squarespace?
Templates.
Templates?
Yeah, Squarespace has amazing templates. It's super easy. You just drop your amazing content into their beautiful award-winning templates. Boom, you have a website.
Like paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com?
Yeah, paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com on Squarespace.
What other features does Squarespace have?
They have automatic image scaling and e-commerce and freaking everything. It's super easy.
Super easy?
Yeah, it's super easy. Oh yeah, it's super easy. But they do have 24/7 customer support. If you mess up, they'll help.
24/7 customer support? That's sick. How do I make a website like paint palette, googlyeyefaces.com?
Oh, it's so easy. Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And then go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain.
Wow, that makes me so happy.
Yeah. It's time to think pink, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta keep thinking pinkin'. This is when it gets serious. I gotta paint the alligator. I gotta paint the flamingo, the centerpieces to the painting. Is there enough colors in this pink family to create separation and definition and vision and imagination with just pink? It's a question I've been concerned about this whole time. I must channel my inner pink power and finish this painting. Very serious, very important. I'm doing God's work here. Let's go.
Pink. What do you get when you combine mother's milk and the blood of the victorious? That's right, pink. Some say it's a color for girls. But I say it's the color of the mighty. It's the color of passion. It's the color of glory. It's the color of the gums that hold the teeth that bite down on the throat of thine enemy. Don your pink. Rise up. Call yourselves champions and be among those who embrace pink.
Your Honor, permission for a sidebar?
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, as the ladies and the gentlemen of the jury know, I have spent over a year working on my own version of The Last Supper.
Nice try.
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you. Now, I have just released beautiful giclée prints and amazing jigsaw puzzles of my version of The Last Supper.
Objection, Your Honor. This isn't even a courtroom. This is clearly his art studio. He hasn't even bothered to put up a green screen, nor has he put on a suit jacket to make this bit work.
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, these beautiful giclée prints are available in 3 sizes on my website, including actual size, massive, the same size as the painting. And these puzzles are 1,000 pieces, random cut. They got secret codes in there that you can crack, and they're even double-sided. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, double-sided puzzles.
Objection, Your Honor. This clearly isn't even a court case.
This guy.
Mr. 100 is obviously here just to promote some of his amazing merch on his YouTube channel.
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, there's just a little time to lock in your pre-order, so you can go to 1000art.com and get yourself a super epic giclée print or a really awesome puzzle, or maybe you could pick up both. The decision's yours.
Your Honor,
I'm going.
his puzzles and prints are amazing, but this is highly irregular.
I'm going to allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Justice has been served here today. Ooh, this thing's looking fire. Man, I gotta quote a fast food theme song right now and just say, I'm loving it. Heck yeah, there's just a few more things I wanna do. You know those like light ripples that appear as light goes through water? This whole time I've been thinking about painting those on this. The one problem is, I don't know how to paint those. So I'm gonna look at a bunch of images on Google and try to add that to this without ruining this painting. Wish me luck, let's finish this thing. Okay, bad news. I don't like the way this looks. The light ripples are definitely not doing it for me. And you know, as I was looking through the Google images, they usually occur on the bottom of the ocean floor on like a clear ocean, not on small things like animals very much. And they don't appear to occur in swamps because of all the vegetation and murkiness. The light doesn't penetrate like that. I just don't think that's really helping or doing anything cool for this piece of artwork. So I have to repaint this part of the flamingo and the wing of the flamingo. But you gotta try things out as an artist, and I tried and I failed, and now we're gonna fix it. Hooray! Okay, so I had to repaint my flamingo, but you know what? This was a blessing in disguise because I ever so slightly like the new pink that I used more than the pink I had before. So we'll count that as a W. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the end. I've repainted the flamingo. It's looking saucy. I've added some cute little bubbles. Love them. And now we've reached the end of the pink painting challenge. And all there is to do is just show you the final sexy shots. Yes, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. My pink painting I am ever so proud of. I think this thing turned out super freaking swanky. I love the storytelling in this piece. It's a little bit morbid, but a lot of bit cool. If you guys like this painting, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you think I nailed the pink challenge, if you think I cheated because some of the pinks are a little bit purpley. I still consider those just dark pink. If you like this video, leave a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Click that little subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are the coolest people on the internet. If I do a challenge like this again, what color should I do next? Let me know. I'm 1000. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. My pink passion product. Pink passion project. What's a P word for and? Procluded? No, that's concluded.
Peroration.